Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Python with pyenv on macOS, detailed guide step by step clearly.
Begin by opening your terminal on macOS. First, ensure that you have Homebrew installed on your system. To check if Homebrew is installed, type brew version and hit enter.
If Homebrew is not installed, you can install it by running the command provided on the Homebrew website. Once Homebrew is installed, update it to the latest version. Run the command brew update to ensure all packages are up to date.
Next, we will install pyenv using Homebrew. Type brew install pyenv and press enter. After the installation is complete, configure your shell to include pyenv. For ZSH users, add the following lines to your .zshrc file. You can open this file by typing nano/.zshrc. Add export path equals $home/.pyenv/bin $pah to the .zshrc file. Then, add eval $pyenv init path below the previous line.
If you are using bash, you will need to add similar lines to your .bash_profile.
Once the changes are made, save the file and exit the editor.
To apply the changes, run the command source/.zshrc or source/.bash_profile based on your shell.
Now it's time to install Python using pyenv.
List the available Python versions by typing pyenv install list.
Choose the version of Python you wish to install. To install that version, type pyenv install xxx, replacing xxx with your chosen version. Once the installation is complete, set the global Python version. Use the command pyenv global xxx to set your preferred version. You can verify that the installation was successful. Type Python version to check the active Python version. If everything was set up correctly, you should see the version you just installed.
You can also check all installed versions using pyenv versions.
Now that you have Python installed with pyenv, you can easily create virtual environments. To create a virtual environment, type pyenv virtualenv xxx myenv, replacing xxx with your chosen Python version and myenv with your desired.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.